This is an easy stitch to make, and I'm going to show you by marking a little square with these 4 dots, because basically you're going to be working in a square. I normally would not mark them. I don't know if you can see that. Normally I wouldn't mark it, but for you to see me do the stitch, I just thought it would be helpful. Now I'm left-handed, but I am doing it exactly the way a right-handed person would stitch it. So you're going to come to the top of your work on the top left-hand side, and you're going to go down straight across, just like that. Then you're going to come up on the bottom left-hand side. Then you're going to keep your working thread down to the right-hand side, and I'm going to go up to the top here, and I'm going to take the back of my needle and I'm going to come from the top in. If you were using a tapestry needle, you could go underneath just like that, but I prefer to use the back of my needle. So I'm going to go under the loop, and I'm not going to pull it really tight because you want your tension to be kind of loose. So next, you're going to come around and you're going to do the same thing, but this time you can see my working thread is going to be behind the needle. So you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to go back down to finish the square. And that's how you make the stitch. So then you can use the back of your needle to push the stitches into the center. But that's all there is to the stitch. It's actually pretty easy once you kind of understand the dynamics of it. Thanks for watching.